Going up on a Sunday. Okay. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I'm so excited. I say that in every single video, but I truly am, I swear. Today's video is going to be a BOOHOO try-on haul. You guys already know BOOHOO is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, place to get clothing online. I absolutely love the stuff they sell. The prices are great and the quality is great. And I can always find like a wide range of things, not just like, you know, BOOHOO's my go-to spot for like fancier clothes, or BOOHOO is my go-to spot for like basics or loungewear. They literally have everything. So hands down, one of my favorite places where I can just go and get anything that I need. So today's video, you will definitely see a wide range of things: loungewear, sweaters, what else did I get? Skirts, dresses, tops, a little bit of everything. As always, everything that I talk about in this video will be linked in the description box below, so if you guys are interested, go check out the description box. All of the good info will be down in the description box. If I happen to forget something, leave me a comment and I will get back to you and get that added to the description box. So I think that is it. Actually, no, it's not. I wanted to show you guys, excuse all of that mess. I've actually been using my desk, so there's like stuff everywhere, but I wanted to show you guys BOOHOO's new packaging. Look at how cute that is. So flippin' adorable. Definitely a different vibe than their old packaging. If you guys don't remember their old packaging, I have it right here. This is their old packaging, and I just think this one, if I bend over one more time, I think this one definitely catches your eye just a little bit more. I just think it's so cute. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on into this video so I can show you guys all of the amazing pieces that I got. All right, so the first one couldn't get more basic, but I love it. It's actually what I'm wearing. It's just a giant oversized navy green. I almost said navy green. Forest green, or a deep green sweatshirt. It's a crew neck. It's just, like I said, oversized. I got this in a 2022. Which I don't remember doing, but apparently I did. I think most of the clothes that I got this round was a size 18. I've gained a couple pounds, but that's okay. That's okay. So I used to always get everything in a 16. Now I'm getting things in an 18. So this is a 2022. It actually might be an 18, but a UK size 2022 now that I think about it. I will leave all that info down in the description box because I don't want to mess you guys up if you are planning to get this. But it is just a basic sweatshirt. It's super, super comfortable. Crew neck. It's actually pretty long, but I kind of, you know, keep it up a little bit. This would actually be really cute if I trimmed it and it was more of like a crop. I think that would be like super freaking cute, but for now I'm just going to leave it like this. All right. Next up is a floral wrap top. This took me a minute to figure it out, but I got it. So it is just a black, pink, white, little hints of green, floral black wrap top. This thing does come all the way unwrapped, so if you're not a fan of those types of tops, this probably would not be for you. I got mine in a size 18, and honestly, I feel like I could have probably gone down to a 16. It has these really huge like arms that are like really fluttery, so that's cute. And overall, I actually really like it. I think it's super cute. The next item is this red lace bodysuit. I got this in a size 16 because I like my bodysuits to be just a little bit more on the tight side, especially when it's a super like V-neck bodysuit, because I just feel like it's too loose sometimes up here in the chest area, and then you girls might show. However, I did, you know, I guess size down now that I'm an 18. I sized down to a 16, but I almost feel like I would have gone down to a 14 because it's still just a little loosey-goosey up here in the neckline area. And I definitely would not wear this bra with it, but other than that, honestly think that it's cute. The back is all the way see-through, completely see-through. But other than that, I think it's super cute. Like, shows off your arms, definitely shows off the chest area, and it does have a snap closure in the crotch area. Also keep in mind I'm wearing yoga pants right now, so I would not wear yoga pants with this, obviously. Shouldn't even have to say that, but I guess you never know. But yeah, it's just a little bit loose, too loose for me in my arms and right here in the chest. And I don't have the biggest boobs in the world, so it could just be that, but I think it's really cute actually. I just probably would have sized down. All right, next up is this really pretty like turtleneck type of peplum top. I also got this in a 16. I really thought I got everything in an 18 except for that bodysuit, but apparently I got more than just that in a 16. So this is a 16. I really love the color and I love the length of the arms. I wish that this seam here would have hit me directly under the boobs and then flared out a little bit, but it kind of like sits right on my boobs. Other than that though, I think this is the comfiest top. It's so comfortable and I think it's super cute and I absolutely love this color. It is made of like this like ribbed material, which I love, and I like it a lot. I just wish that seam would have landed on a different place of my body, would have been just a little bit more flattering, because right now I just look like a sack of potatoes. Okay, not a sack of potatoes, but you know what I mean. I just feel like it would have been way more flattering if it would have hit me down here and then flared out. But still super cute and definitely something I will be wearing to work. Okay, the next top is this collared button-up peplum top. The only problem with this top for me is that it's pulling in the chest area. As you can see, the buttons are pulling. It is not made of a stretchy material at all, which kind of contributes to the fact that it's pulling here, but the arms have plenty of room. It fits everywhere else except just here around the bust. It is super flowy down here at the bottom, which I like. I can't remember if I said, but I got this in an 18. It's just super cute. I just wish it fit better in the bust area, but I'm working on it, so eventually it will. Okay, the next clothing item that I picked up is this adorable dress. It is a t-shirt dress, however, it's too short on me. I think I should have sized up. I got this in an 18. Maybe I should have gone up to a 20, which would have added a little bit of length. I know for some people this is not too short, but it's too short. My whole butt will be hanging out if I bend over, but I just love how it has this like color blocking detailing with the leopard going through the middle. I thought it was super cute, super chill, relaxing for a nice summer day. So I'm hoping that by summertime this will be the perfect length on me. I just think it's super cute and it's like so effortless. You just throw this on with some sneakers or some wedges or whatever you want to wear on your feet, some sandals, and it would be perfect. Next up is this adorable little lounge slash like PJ set. It says wine o'clock and it's a cute little white cropper with some adorable wine shorts in pink. How cute is this? Come on, come on. The older I get, the more I appreciate a nice glass of vino. So I thought to myself, you know what? You need those, you really do. So here we are, I have them. I got them in an 18. I feel like possibly the top fits perfectly. The shorts, because I am bigger on the bottom, I feel like to be comfortable, I would have wanted to go up a little bit. So I think it comes as a set, so you would have had to just order a size up in both, which would have been fine because I like my loungewear to be really oversized. So other than that though, how cute. I love you now. Okay, this next dress I feel like either I ordered by mistake or I didn't order it at all, because I feel like I would not order something like this personally. However, here we are. It is a half black, half, it's not really leopard, kind of is leopard. I don't know, look. It's that print. Dress. And it's like a pleated dress, but I think, you know what? I think I did order it because it looked like it was a top with a high-waisted skirt, and I thought that would be cute. But it is like a midi length, so it hits like right above, like say my ankles, almost, actually it hits mid-shin. So, you know, not my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. I got this in a 16, and I truly don't know if I will ever wear this because it's just not my cup of tea, but you never know until you get your order in. You never know what's gonna look good and what doesn't. It does have really big sleeves, which is nice, but I just personally am not the biggest fan. Actually, you know what? I think clothes to me look ugly on me when I have my hair up. So I feel like maybe if my hair was down and curled, or I had some sort of other hairdo going on, it might actually not be too bad. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, it's not terrible, it's just not really my style, but I don't hate it. I really don't. Pew, pew, pew. Next up is a red bodycon dress, and this dress is definitely a bodycon dress. It is very form-fitting. You can see literally everything, but that is what this type of dress is supposed to do, hug your curves. I'm not wearing the right underwear. I think I say that in every video. Not wearing any shapewear, obviously, so you can see literally everything, but I still think it's pretty cute. I just would want to wear some shapewear because I'm just not comfortable quite yet wearing things this skin tight. This is in a size, I did not check before. This is a size 18, and I think it's super cute. I actually love the color. I don't have many red things, especially dresses, so this is definitely a nice change. I would just, like I said, either want to wear shapewear or get my butt in shape. Let's be real. All right, next up is a floral dress, and I feel like this dress has, like, yeah, I was right, ties and bows all over the place. The sleeves are really flowy and have ties, which this one is kind of coming out. Has bows on both sleeves. It does have another tie here at the waist. It is a like crisscross type of upper, like almost like a wrap top, but it's a faux wrap. It has elastic in the waist here, hitting me just at the right spot. And I think the length on this dress is actually perfect. It is a little teeny bit longer in the back, which is nice. I think this is really cute, definitely something way different than what I would wear, but I feel like this is like the perfect outfit to go to like a baby shower in, or like brunch somewhere. Yeah, I just need a little bit of a tan and we're good. I think this is so cute. Oh, I didn't really like tie that bow very tight. Let's tie it a little tighter. And the bow really can go off to one side if you want it to. I just tied it right there, but I think it's really cute. Okay, yet another bodycon style dress, and this is in a maroon color, not that bright red like the last bodycon dress I showed you. This is also in a size 18, and this one is a little bit more forgiving. I know I was complaining about like not wearing shapewear and stuff in the other one. This one is actually double lined and does have a bit of ruching here, so it kind of like covers like those imperfections, and it is longer. It is a midi bodycon dress, which I don't know if you can see, but it comes to a point on my left leg. So this one is really cute. There is a tie here on the front, which you can, you know, pull over. It probably is supposed to be over to one side, actually, now that I look at it. Let's see, maybe, I don't know. But I think it's really cute, really pretty, and I absolutely love this color. I definitely feel like more secure in this. Like I said, it is double lined, so I think it's super cute. Okay, the next thing is an off-the-shoulder jumpsuit. I think it's super cute. It's in black. The top part, I don't know if you can even see. Let me lower ya. Lower, lower, lower. There you go. It's like this crocheted material, and the bottom part is just like a chiffon flowy material. I think it's so cute. The back zips up. I still have the tags on. And yeah, I just really like this a lot, actually. I think this would be perfect for a nice wine tasting event. Let me just pull you up here. I just, for some reason, picture myself wine tasting in this outfit. I don't know why, because it's like casual but a little bit dressed up, you know what I mean? Or for brunch. For me, I would definitely need to wear like some platform sandals or wedges or something, because it's really long and I'm stepping all over it. But I think if I wore those, it would be fine. I think it's just so cute. And this is in an 18. Okay, so, wow, this hair. I threw on this green sweatshirt just because it's so comfortable. And because I'm cold. The last piece I wanted to show you guys is a midi skirt. It is so cute. So cute. It is black but has like a snakeskin, very subtle snakeskin print to it. I'm gonna have to do a close-up for you guys because it is just so cute. I say that about everything, I'm convinced. But I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna zoom, 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 zoom all the way down. All the way down, yeah. Okay. Can you guys see that? Skirt, skirt. This skirt I got in a size 18 and it is definitely made of a stretchy material, which is great. All right, you guys, that was everything I got from Boohoo. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them down in the comment section. I would be more than happy to get back to you. Any other comments, honestly, also leave them in the comment section. All of the items I talked about today are linked in the description box. If something is sold out, I still like link it and just I'll put sold out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys. My Instagram game has been so bad, but I know it. At least I'm admitting it. But still, follow me over there. I also have a bunch of clothes, and I mean a bunch of clothes, up on Poshmark if you guys would like to go shop my closet. Yeah, I think that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.